Hey there. This is just an update on my progress on the first gen iPod Nano replacement program. Um, I've sold three so far. One of them's been shipped out. These two I sold yesterday, so I got them bubble wrapped up, and they'll go out in the morning. And these two I got in pretty recently, so haven't sold them on eBay yet, but pretty good so far. And just a heads up, when you're selling them, make sure to list them so you can sell them worldwide, because you will get easily on the I just sell and buy it now. You'll get 15 to 20 more dollars just out of the whole deal, which is really good. So that's my suggestion on it. But best of luck to you all. I'm out.